Chad Atkins here, Capital Mortgage. Just wanted to reach out today with an amazing opportunity. Right now, times are difficult. I know that there's very little inventory, which means there's fewer deals. It's going into winter, which there's fewer deals. More people are fighting over the fewer deals. And I keep hearing, hey, business is down, sales are down. So that means every single sale is worth more now to you than ever before. And so I wanted to help ease that burden. And I got to thinking, how can I help my preferred realtors? What can I do back for my realtor partners that could help? And I came up with a great idea. It makes a ton of sense for you and me both to work together and make this happen. So it's very easy, and I said very easy, but it's not that difficult to become a loan officer. And what I'm offering is if you want to get your MLO license, mortgage loan officer license, you can then hang your license with me. And on every single deal, I'll pay you as a loan officer. That's up to 80 bips. Now, Chad, why up to 80 bips? 95, 98% of all of our deals, we go full comp. That's our full what we make, right? But as a realtor, sometimes you cut your pay on certain deals to make them work or to get that deal done, right? And so on those, few deals that we have to cut our comp, we'll work that out. Usually I just split it 50-50, whatever it is. But overall, 95, 98% of your deals, you will earn 80 bips. So that is a lot of extra cash. So if you want to do the math, you can take the loan amount. By the way, we're paid on the loan amount, not the purchase price, right? So if somebody buys a $400,000 house, but they put down $100,000, that means their loan's probably around that $300,000 range. We're paid on that $300,000 range. Still, 80 bips is a serious amount of money. To do the math, all you do is you take the loan amount times 0.008. What that is 0.8%. So it's almost a percent, but not quite. Now, what I'm offering here is when you refer a deal to me, a client to me at Capital Mortgage, we're going to do the home loan for that customer. If you have your mortgage license hanging with me, I can put you as the loan officer on that file and pay you back as a loan officer. So I'm really hoping this gets you excited. It adds a ton of additional cash to the table on every deal for you, especially during these difficult times when sales are slow. Every deal, just to get that extra 80 bips could make a huge difference. It might double or quadruple what you earn every year by sending those deals to me. Now, what's great there is we have our own processing company. I handle everything. Really, all you need to do is get the deal in the door. I'm going to put it under your number. You're going to rock and roll. Everything's fantastic there. So also, if you've done business with me in the past, you know how I operate. So just like all the other lenders, I can do deals in just a few days, right? If you get a borrower that's an 800 credit score, has a lot of money in the bank, those deals I can close in, 8, 10, 15 days, okay? If you've ever heard of me close in 30 days, it's probably because we have a challenging client. Because guess what? Unlike most other lenders you might deal with and most banks, I have so many more options. I go all the way down to 500 credit scores. I do no income loans. If the customer can't prove their income and they're going to buy an investment property, I do those. I do bank statement loans. I do a lot of the non-QM, the really difficult, hard to do stuff. And guess what? When you do that hard to do stuff, there's more paperwork. It takes a little bit longer to close versus I get an 800 credit score in that's a $400,000 purchase price. It flies through. I'm clear to close in a matter of days, right? So I just wanted to throw that out there. Also, because I'm a smaller lender, my offices are right here in South County. So I'm kind of centrally located. I'm at 55 and Lindbergh, right behind the big church and behind Aldi's. There's always an extra desk. So I understand realtors are out running around. If you ever need to use my office for a meeting or you need to stop by and use my printer, my fax, my scanner, you're welcome to stop by anytime. I always have an extra desk here. It's centrally located. It gives you a spot that if you need to do or meet a client here and write a quick contract, you're welcome to use my office at any time. The other thing too is because I'm a smaller broker, I don't have the overhead of all the big guys. So if you're sending a lot of your business to the big chains, Guess what? That guy has a boss, has a boss, has a boss. Everybody has to be paid all the way down through the line. In addition, they probably have multiple locations, multiple real estate, multiple offices. All that has overhead. I have very tiny overhead. So for somebody to say they have a better rate than me, it's probably not going to happen, guys. I have over 100 lenders I do business with. I have way low overhead. If somebody's beating my rate, something's wrong. So they're doing something tricky. Something's weird there. So, I am your best choice for your client as far as their home loan is concerned. So I hope this helps a little bit. I really wanted to throw this out there. It'll take you a couple of weeks, a month, 2 months to get through the process to become a loan officer. But I wanted to offer that because this will set you up for success in the future, right? We've heard the future looks a little bit dark, right? We possibly could be going into a recession. There's this crazy law going on that could affect realtors' comp on a buyer's end, right? Well, that's okay. Sign up with me and it replaces and it washes that, right? So if those bad things happen, you still got that extra source of income by working together. If you know me, I'm available nights, weekends. I don't care. My phone is always on. I always answer. I do pre-approvals on the weekends at night. I don't care when it is. I do it. I do the hard stuff. So many of my realtor friends call me when the other lender's deal goes south. You wouldn't believe how many deals I save that the other lenders turn down at the last minute. So I work hard. I really am dedicated to what I do. But again, I also recognize the market is challenging. And I'm like, how can I help my realtor partners? And I think this is a very big win. You'll have to disclose that up front with your borrowers. Hey, by the way, not only am I your realtor, but I work for Capital Mortgage and I'm going to be your loan officer on that file. So talk to your broker owner and make sure that you get that extra documentation that you need to provide for the client up front. But what a win-win. Let's work together. Let's make this happen. Put some extra dollars in your pocket, and I look forward to work with you. If you have any questions, call me, text me. I'm always available. Let's get that going. It doesn't cost very much. It's less than $500 to get your license to become a loan officer. There's a training course. In the email below this video, it takes you step by step, everything you need to do to become a loan officer. So I hope you take that step. I hope we work together. I want to be your lender on every single deal, and I want to pay you back on every single deal. Hope you guys are having a great time. Call me, text me, email me. I'm here. Have a great day.